Today, Joe and I are going to teach you how to unclog your toilet with a closet auger. First thing you're going to do is pick out a really good closet auger. We like to use the Rigid brand. They have a beefier cable. They're easier to use. They don't kink up. Rigid does not pay us to produce these videos.
So as you see, we have this in a 5-gallon bucket. These are normally how these tools are stored. And the cable head's in a little clip up here. So the first thing you'll have to do is unclip that head. And then you can leave it and stick it in the bottom of the bucket so it doesn't scratch the tile or make a mess on the floor. And the first thing you'll want to do is pull the cable back through the tool and just pull up on this handle. Just like that. So now we have the cable fully retracted. So what we want to do is very carefully get the head of the cable facing into the toilet bowl and seat the plastic part on the bottom, because it definitely will scratch the porcelain if you're not careful. So now we're ready to go. We're just going to take this cable and put some pressure on it, push down on it and turn it in a clockwise position just like this until the cable pushes all the way through. If that cable pushes all the way through, that normally will push the blockage out or catch whatever's in there on the cable head, and then you'll pull it back like this. And that should be all you need to do.
Thank you, Joe, for taking over for me in the closet auger thing. My little arms are too short to really get an accurate closet, not plunging, but, you know, stirring. But anyway, if you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. Be sure to share and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.